Today guys, because of the cold weather we're having just now, we thought it would be quite good to take a look at this very affordable DAEWOO 2000 watt turbo convector heater. Now this particular heater comes with a thermostat control with 3 heat settings, and not only that, it comes with a built-in timer function too. So yes, you can set it up to warm those cold rooms up in the mornings. Now, some of you may remember that last winter we did set out to test a few basic portable heaters, which in the end both did in fact have their issues, with one either being too distracting due to the brightness of those heated bulbs, or with the other mini heater being too noisy. But because this is a DAEWOO convector heater and it's a little bit more expensive, however still very much affordable, we're going to see if it could be good for a larger size room, or simply ideal to pre-warm those rooms up in the mornings for those people that are working from home, etc. Okay, what we get inside is some minimal packaging. Let's just take that heater right out. Yep, there you go. And we get a basic user manual, as well as the left and right stands, which, with those supplied screws, we are simply going to attach to the heater.
Screwdriver not supplied.
Alright, so that boring part is over, which took a little under 4 minutes to complete. And oh, the heater, yes, it's quite sturdy. Very nice. Let's go ahead and plug it in, and right from the off, manoeuvrability is made easy thanks to those integrated side handles. I must say, very light and easy to pick up. To their side, we have controls like the previously mentioned 3 heat settings of 750 watts, 1250 watts and 2000 watts to be precise. Below, there is also that thermostat control for energy efficiency, and a handy 24-hour timer with 15-minute on-off intervals. And oh, I almost forgot, if you want to warm your room up even faster, you can indeed via that turbo control unit to the front. That basically, when switched on, will accelerate the rate at which the heat is pushed out from the heater to warm your room. And I'll tell you what guys, no word of a lie, I've actually had this heater on for 2 minutes off camera, and I've got to say the heat in the room right now, I can already feel the impact it's actually making. Well, we did in fact have good use with this heater for the whole entire week, and it was very much appreciated by my partner too, fighting off the cold in the living room with those 7 AM starts. So yes, this DAEWOO turbo heater is really ideal for larger size rooms. We in fact actually never used that turbo fan to the front and used it as standard, and what a difference it actually made. I mean, in comparison to turning that central heating on for that first initial hour in the day, but it gets more of an impact when using this heater for the first 15 minutes, helping take the chill from out of the air and gives you that nice warm cozy feeling, especially if you are up early working from home. And I guess this is where that built-in timer comes in handy, setting the heater to switch on in the early hours before you come down those stairs. Or why not place it in your desired room and set it to turn on when you arrive from work, with no worries about any hazards too, as this DAEWOO heater contains overheating protection, which in an event will automatically shut off the heater. You do get a cable length of 1.55 meters, so it is indeed a good stretch from a power outlet. I think it certainly looks more premium than other freestanding heaters, and with that slim subtile design, I think for £20, that's around $27 US, it's on par with much more expensive equivalents. Now, the only negatives I have is like any portable winter heater, I don't think it would be wise to place in the home that will have toddlers or young kids running about. If they do touch that metal part of that shell, it will indeed burn, so please take note. Also, if you don't know how to operate one of these physical type timers that's built into this heater, well unfortunately it's not going to be made any more clear, as it's not that clearly set out within the user manual. Apart from that, this DAEWOO convector heater is definitely affordable. It doesn't cost a fortune and quite economic to run, especially with that heat output adjustment. Perfect for garages, cold rooms, and a great alternative in an emergency to have as a backup if, for example, you've got problems with your home central heating boiler. It is much better than those previously reviewed heaters, and if I was to rate it within a budget range category, then today I've got to give this DAEWOO turbo convector heater a 9 out of 10. Now there is a number of places you can buy this from. I think right now in the UK it's going for around £20 in the home bargain store, so you might be able to still grab one. But yes, I will certainly leave a link in the video description down below. Again, I'm not affiliated in any way, so you're free to check it out. And if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? And while you're there in that video description, guys, I'd very much appreciate it if you smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. So I hope to be doing some more tech reviews coming this week, so stay tuned for them. And as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching.
Peace!